Asa mga Gab? We're at the North Carolina Zoo today. Gabby, we just got here. Come on, we just got here. Asan na CR? Gabby? Oh. Come on. So we're waiting for our food. Hopefully we got the right thingamabobber. So this thing right here is like so instead of the whatchamacallit, the cashier shouting at you like, oh mister, your food's ready, they send a signal to this thing right here, the coaster, and then it'll vibrate. It'll tell you that your food's ready. Oh, by the way, we're at Billy D's. It's a fried chicken place at the zoo. Hopefully they got good chicken. The food is expensive though, so if you plan on eating here, make sure you bring your own food. They don't check your bag for food or anything, so you can definitely bring your own food. Alright, so if you're wondering what we ordered at Billy D's, this is it. Waffle fries and fried chicken, spicy chicken. And of course, we're Filipino, so we gotta bring our own rice. Alright, be right back. Well, not a whole lot left. There's just a lot of oil in there. And be careful when you dig in, because you might eat some of the paper right there. Don't eat paper. It's bad for your health. Here we go. So the park has two parts. So one is North America and one is Africa. So we started out in the Africa part of the park. It's actually America's largest zoo, conservatory. And let's check out what kind of animals they have. See if it's kind of the same as the one in Cebu. So I would have to say it's really well made. Let's look at the zebra.
I see cute giraffes. Look! Zebra!
Mm-hmm.
It's an ostrich, God.
Ostrich.
Ostrich. Say hi. Ostrich!
Mm-hmm.
I wish they had Can we go back to the mall? Guess what? I got Daddy talking to buying us a zebra. Say hi, ostrich.
Giraffe. Look, see the zebra over there?
What do, Daddy?
There's a giraffe.
Alright, so if you ever get tired walking around, because it's such a big zoo, they have a tram station, so you can use it to. It's kind of like a bus, really. A very quiet bus. Ooh. See? Lots of people are waiting for it. We might actually have to ride the tram because. Huh? What? Oh, nothing. Carrying Gab to this entire zoo might be very tiring.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Hey, elephant. Elephant Gab.
Oh, big! Oh, big!
Yeah, big.
Oh, big! Elephant!
Water.
Look.
Look. Naka your jeans, Gab.
Oh, Gab. Brown din ang elephant. Dapat naman green.
Okay ni kuan na siya. Tidlo mo na siya sa
Mura siya diri ko initan siya. Yo, usa?
Siya raw sa.
Pero usa?
Masig to ang uban sa pikas.
Ano uban, be?
Ooh, more elephants. Ano man? Bugnaw? Ayaw, Gab. Alright, so aside from animals, they also have a lot of nature. So they have a lot of trees. It's not just animals when you come here to the zoo.
Count. Hey, count, me. One. Look. Look. Elephant is coming. It's gonna get you, Gab. Baby.
Sig dili tinuod.
Are, dali, tuyok, dali, mama. Dali, tuyok, dali. Ali, ayaw, hadlock ka.
So aside from wildlife in cages, they actually have wildlife outside. Lots of water. Okay, so we're in the rhino exhibit. Let's see how big the rhinos are. So I don't think they have one in the Philippines. Oh. Oh. Is that something? I don't know.
Baby, Gabby,
Ah,
right there.
right there.
Is that monkey, Gab?
Where? You see monkey?
You see monkey?
Where monkey? No. That's not monkey. It's some sort of deer, Gab. You see it? Alright, next stop is a quiet place. They want you to be quiet because there are predators around. No, I'm just kidding. So next stop is the gorilla and chimpanzee. So hopefully they're in cages though. They do have signs posted that some of the wildlife is not in cage like the snakes, and they want you to stay away from them. Okay? I'm not sure they're poisonous though. I don't think so, but they are around. Just like what I showed you earlier. They do live freely, as well as some sort of chipmunk. Chipmunk or squirrel?
It's gonna want to be put down in just a minute.
Alright. What? Alright, so aside from animals, they do have very awesome playgrounds. I was gonna say, aside from animals, they have very wonderful landscape. But yeah, let's go with play areas. Looks like a Star Wars Battlefront area. Ta-da! Watch out for Ewoks.
Oh no! They're eating, Gab.
What do you think about the gorillas, Gab?
Oh, there's that other one.
Looking at their
Behind
names?
the tree.
Mosuba, Jamani, Apollo.
Alright. He's freezing.
I thought you were going to put your phone on, Chloe.
Okay, ready? Yeah. Hey, can I take pictures now?
She can take one.
Come on, I want to get on.
Ah, big boy.
Saan na, Gab?
Ito, flamingo na. Flamingo.
Pig. Flamingo.
Kaya mag-color sa big flamingo, Gab. Wala na sila magbarog.
Natug mo na guban. Natugin na sila. They're asleep.
No, no.
Huh?
Flamingo man na, that's not pig.
And so we're inside their aviary dome. It's very humid. So it's rated at 60 degrees outside, or 62. And here I think it's 76. So there's like a 10-degree difference. It's very humid. Ooh! You saw bird passes by. I can't see it. Oh, right there. Oh.
Right there. Wow. What view? Oh, look. Asa man? Oh, asa man ang birdie? Tweet, 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 tweet. Oh, no.
Pretty good that they have something like that over here. I wonder how hot it's gonna be in the summertime. But here we go. We're just in the African region right now. We still have to find where the lions live. Yeah. Wait a minute. Alright, so this time we're gonna skip the lions. We're gonna go see other stuff like lemur and bears. Oh, look! There's a bird. Alright, so this is Junction Plaza. I don't know why I said it like that, but yes, this is Junction Plaza. They have a merry-go-round over there, a pizza place, American Turba. Yeah, over there. Alright, so we're on our final stop. We're now in the North American side of the zoo. I'm almost tempted to say park. It's kind of like a park. So next stop we're gonna see wildlife that you can find in America, like bears and ocelots and all other stuff. Slip na. Slip na. Yeah, so that's an ocelot right there.
Sarah. Sarah.
That's their desert exhibit, and well. Cactus. Huh? Mango. Is there something in here? Oh, right there. Oh, not that one. Get a room, guys. There's the bird. Salad for breakfast. That's a pretty creepy tree. Oh, lo. Lo. Porcupine. There's the wolves over there. Trying to look at us. We're finally at the bison area. Let me show you how big these things are. They're actually really huge. So they're not like Philippine cows or carabaos. They're mostly twice that size, and it's got a bigger head. Let's see. See that? That thing is huge.
There's this tree branch here. See him laying down?
Huge. There they are. Bug. So aside from just animals again, it's really a trail. So if you just want to come here and walk, you can also do that. They have portions where people can just walk through and then watch the animals from the outside. And then they also have a tram station. Well, the tram station is just for getting from one place to another. Not really for for watching the animals, really. So just getting in between the two zones, the North American and the African parts of the park. And there's the time right now. It's pretty cool. You can actually bring your stroller with you to that tram. Alright, before I run out of battery, this is where we're gonna end the vlog. Hope you